Now that you have the MemoryWeb desktop uploader installed on your computer, I'm going to show you how to connect that to your existing MemoryWeb account. If you don't already have an existing MemoryWeb account, you're going to want to pause and actually set one up now. And you can do that by either going out to our website at memoryweb.me, or if you've already installed the uploader, you can see here on the screen that we have a link that says register now. So you can go there and click that link and set up your account that way. Going forward, we're going to assume that you've already created your MemoryWeb account and you've installed the desktop uploader, and I'm going to show you how to connect the two now. So you can see here that we have three options on the screen. The green button to log in, a login with Facebook, and then a sign in with Apple. You're going to want to use which method you use to create your existing MemoryWeb account. So if you created an account using the Facebook login, choose the Facebook login. If you signed in with Apple, use that option. And if you just created an account using an email and a password that you created, then use the green button on the top. I'm going to show you that way because that's how my demo account was set up. So we're going to go through and click this green button here and take you through the process. So you can see here that it's now prompting me for the email that I used to create my account. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in. My email is demoupload@memoryweb.me. And then I have my top secret password here. And now I'm going to log in. And you can see here this is now opening up a new screen. This is actually going to show you the interface of the desktop uploader. I'm going to pause right now because I want to take you through each one of the sections of the uploader and create separate chapters for that. There's a lot of really rich functionality in the uploader, and I want to create separate modules so that you can look at the ones that you're most interested in if you want to go back and look at it after you've gone through the entire series to understand how to use it. So we'll take a pause and I will be right back.